guys, welcome back in today's video. And in this video, we'll be learning how to automate WhatsApp web using only 2 lines of Python. It is super easy, super fun, so let's jump into it. Automating WhatsApp, the first step is to open up Python software. Here I am using Python Community Edition. So let's open it. It is opening. So the software has now opened. So as you can see, the software project window has now opened. And the first step is to copy these alt text and just delete it because we don't need it. So then open any search engine. I am using Google Chrome here. And then you have to write PyWhatKit and then click the first website given here. Then you have to copy this. Copy to clipboard, you have to copy this and it is copied. Then you have again go back to software and then in the terminal option you have to paste this code. You have to paste this and just press enter and it will start loading and we will download it after 15-20 seconds. As you can see, it is now downloading. As you can see, it has now downloaded. So we'll now write the simplest codes, that is import dot PyWhatKit and then press enter. Press enter again, write PyWhatKit dot send what msd, that is message. Then you have to open brackets and in brackets you have to open single inverted commas, and in first single inverted commas you have to write the person's name that we have to send message to him or her. So I would write number here, that is I would write. So I've written my number, and after closing the single inverted comma you have to press space and then comma and then again a space, and you have to again open second inverted commas in which you have to write the message. Here I would write hello, this message is automated using Python. Done. And after you close this single inverted comma you have to press enter, then again a comma, and in this you have to write time in which you have to send the message in 24 hours clock time. I repeat, in 24 hours clock time. So I would write the time after 2 or 3 minutes that you can see the outcome of this code. So the time approximately here is 3:34 exactly, that is 4:34. So I would write the time 16 I would write 36. So the code is ready. Now we will run this project. So as you can see, it is written in 54 seconds web.whatsapp will open and in 20 seconds message will be delivered. So for that we will open the Chrome and we have to just open the Chrome, and after 50 seconds or so it will automatically open the WhatsApp web and the message will be sent in 20 seconds after corresponding time. So for this I would be staying away from my computer so that there will be no confusion between you and me that cheated you in the video. So as you can see, the WhatsApp web has now been opened and it is loading. The interface is loading of WhatsApp. So as you can see, the message has been written in the typing area that now it is sent. Without touching your hand, the message is sent. So you can know the power of the automation using Python. It was a small example of it. You can automate each and everything. Even you can make your own Jarvis, that is a AI companion or assistant using your own code, and it is simple, super easy. I would make a video in future in it. So you would think, what is the use of it? When will we use it? So for example, suppose tomorrow exam and you have to sleep early, है ना? So your friend's birthday is tomorrow and you have to wish him in midnight. So you can place a timer of 0000, that is 12 o'clock in midnight, and the message will be sent automatically, that is happy birthday dear, happy birthday my friend, etc. So this was the video guys. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. Please comment down below in the comment section what you like the most and suggest me some more project ideas that I would like to make it in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.